Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fast forward in Netflix or how to skip forward. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the Netflix app, open the app. Of course, you should have an account. I will choose, for example, this movie. And to skip forward, you have multiple options. First option is to click on that red dot and use it to go forward in the movie or backward. And the second option, as you can see, there is two buttons, one like 10 forward and the other 10 backward. I can use that 10 forward to skip 10 seconds, and if I click on it multiple times, it will skip more 10 seconds. I can skip even hours if I want. And to skip backward also, you can use the other button and you can skip backward with it like you want. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.